Hello everybody, I'm the Gaming Cat and welcome back to another video. Now, today we are fishing at a very beautiful lake actually. So I am here fishing today at a beautiful lake. And may as well just share the moment for you. A good moment. Oh my god, hold on, wait. I don't know if you guys see that, but right there's a big guy. Hold on, wait a minute. Here's my pole. It's pretty good. And here's my worm. I got worms, obviously. We gotta use bait. Okay, hold on. Look at that big guy. Okay, so look, I got this little pebble thing from the worms. There's a big guy. Oh, he just ate it. Oh my goodness, there's so many. Hold on. How many are there? Oh my goodness. There's a lot. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's like 20 of these things. This is one way to get a good fishing trip. And oh, there's a lot of babies. Oh, I hope I don't catch a lot of babies. I think these may all be bluegill or maybe some rock bass, maybe some sunfish. I don't know. Anyways, we are going to start the video very soon. Oh, alright, so may as well just get started. Alright guys, I'm back. We got one. I accidentally stopped the video, but we got one. It's a little smallmouth, I believe. Alright, so let's unhook this. Oh, I should have brought my gloves. I forgot to bring my gloves today. Hopefully I don't forget that tomorrow. Shoot. Did not do that. Sorry, this is taking so long. I am like twirling around like a ballerina. Okay. Oh, trying not to hurt y'all. Come on. Come on. Okay, okay, we almost got you, buddy. This bug's trying to bite me. Alright, there we go. Look at this, man. Oh boy. It's about the size of my hand. That's a smallmouth. Look at that. Big man. Alright. We'll put him right down. Ah, so nice to see one just go off like that. Alright. Fish. Here we go. Oh, you absolutely tore up my line. Okay, let's see what I can do here. Mauled it. Oh boy. Taking a little bit, but we can get this solved. We can get it all solved. Oh, we got it stuck up in his head, in the thing's head. Bugs out everywhere, dude. Stuck up right up. Okay, I got it. Okay, there we go. This is how it is, lad. Okay. There's like hornets out here, dude. This place is crazy for bugs. Oh. Alright. Let's get back to it, shall we? Do you think I should cast it out there, or should I just drop it? I am going to... What the heck is happening with that fish? I'm just going to drop it. Oh my god, there's like a bajillion. There we go, we got one. Got another little guy. Got this little guy here. Let's see what we can do to you. Oh, it's a lot smaller than the last one, but I still caught another one. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that, buddy. Don't. You're just gonna hurt yourself. Jeez, I would love my gloves right now in this situation. There we go. Stop. Look at this little guy. Oh, that's a big horsefly. Look at this little guy. There's like jet ski guys everywhere. Look at this little guy. He's a little smallmouth again. Oh, there we go. I'm literally keeping very aware of that hornet fly right there. So, yeah, got another one. We got two in the day. Two for the day. Like, I literally caught 2 fish in like 5 minutes. Let's go. Also, back-to-back casts too. That's pretty nice. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, there's like, what are they doing? Are they about to gang up that fish? Oh god, they are. Okay. Are they? I have no idea what they are doing. That's weird. Okay. Alright. Test it out, see how far we go. Went pretty far. Why are they all just... That's a rock bass right there. Ah! I'm getting attacked by like little insects. That horsefly is still there. I do not like things. They hurt. Oh, got one. Oh, got a... Am I seriously not gonna... Oh, wow, I actually didn't get anything. I got one, though. Alright. Catch number 2. I'm at a camping area, so if you hear random noises in the background, that's probably like just some random campers. But hopefully it should be fine. There's so many fish right in front of me. I talked to two other guys. I don't know if I already said this, but I talked to two other guys who were just fishing, and they said the fishing was mid. I don't think this is really mid. There's like 80 things right here. Where am I? There's a little guy trying to get me. No, get away. That's a bluegill, if I've ever seen one. I got one. It's a little guy. Oh, I hit him. Got another one. I don't know where that horsefly went, but it's gone now. I'm kind of freaking out about that. Stop. Stop it. Stop. Oh, I heard it. Oh, my God. Sorry for that, but, look at this little guy. That's another smallmouth. Hey, look how he's like a little guy. 10-pounder. He's an absolute 10-pounder. Let's go. Alright. You go back, little buddy. Whoa. I don't know if he's okay or not. Still, this worm is pretty good. This is the lure I'm using, by the way. It's kind of hard to see it. But, yeah. So if you like my channel and you like this content, please consider subscribing. Yeah, I know I haven't been posting lately a lot, but, you know how it is, but, like, since ever school's gone out, like, there's a lot more opportunities for me to make more videos for you guys, and I like doing that. So hit that subscribe button and like button and comment, and I'll make sure to reply. Got a nibble. Oh, they're jumping. I heard like 3 splashes in front of me. Got one. It's a nibbler. It's another small one. Oh, he's about to fall off. He's about to fall off. Hello there, matey. Oh, stop creeping out. Put your, like, spiky fins away. There we go. 4th fish of the day. Nice little guy. Oh, he's a little rascal. Oh. Alright. Stop. I don't know what to do. He's flopping everywhere. Going. That was a rascal. Oh my goodness. Oof. That was it's a fighter. Tell you what. But, oh, there's a big bunch right there. This is going to attract all of their attention. So far we've caught, all of them have been smallmouths. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, all of them have been smallmouths. I remember back, like a few years back, I went to this place, and I actually caught a catfish here, and there was just a population of, like, it was just, like, splake and rock bass, and there was so much there. It was insane how much there was. But, yeah. I'm just gonna try this way. What just happened? Did, like, a whole horde of just smallmouths just, like, decide to jump at the same exact time? Oh my goodness. I've never seen that before. Oh, is that an eagle? I think that's just a big crow. Oh. I'm getting attacked by these little bugs. Let's see. See, they're not the ones I want to, like, go for. Like, there's just one big one just down there, and I wish I had, like, another weight thing to just, like, help me. See, like, I also want to battle. I don't want to get, like, these, like, the same thing just happen again. I don't want to get these, like, little guys. Or, like, they're just everywhere. Oh, there's a few big guys right there. Are they mauling my foot? Oh, a big one came up and just tried. This is hard, dude. This is hard. This is just a big one right there, just sitting there. And they keep popping up. There's so many little snails right there. It's insane how many people are there. Insane how many fish there are. It's absolutely insane. I want to show you guys. Hold on. I want to show you. Guys, I don't know if you, but there's a very big guy right about in there. I don't know if you can see him, but he's right there. Try and catch him. Oh, I just stepped on my finger. I think I just did not supposed to. Okay, the worm is fine. The worm is completely fine. I'm hoping it is not. It's a big. Oh my goodness, that's a bigger one. Come on. See? It's a thing. The big guy's on the thing. Don't be scared. Don't. All the fish are swimming right next to it. All the fish are swimming right next to it. It is a very big guy. Oh, what the? Oh! Oh, come on, take it. Take it. Take it. You were going for it. That's a splake. That's a splake right there. That is a splake. Let's see if I can try and catch him. I don't know. That other guy's there. There's a big guy right next to it. Oh, I missed him. All of the little ones keep just swarming. I see a decent sized one just like swimming away. Hold on. I don't know whether they're biting at all. Come on, take it, If one of you's got to take it, just take it. Take it. He took the whole worm with him. Oh, that's just sad. Let's get a new one on now. Alright, so now that I got a new worm on, pretty good go. So, little fishing advice if you are fishing, like you're not fishing, but like you want to look at fish and you want to try and figure out what type of fish they are. If you're trying to look for splake, look for like the long skinny fish. They're like trout. But instead, look for them having like a black tip to their tail. That's how you know it's a splake. There's a little tip for advice for you. So, yeah. Oh. Wait, no. Like all it's like a tack on. Instead of a tack on Titans, you got a tack on fish. Sorry, everyone. There's people coming up, and I didn't want to be like talking in a video while there's people, because that would be kind of awkward. Like you just hear someone just talking into absolutely nobody. Like that would just be kind of weird. So that's why I had to do that. Well, anyways, back to the video. Oh. Is that a... Hold on, wait a minute. What is that? There's something in the water. What is that a cucumber? Oh my god, I got one. Oh, he's a little fighter. He's a little fighter. Oh, we got him. We got him, boys and girls. We got him. Ooh, look at him. That's like fish number 5. I have not been keeping track. There we go. Look at that guy. Oh, I just laid him out like I was about to kill him. Stop. Oh, don't you dare get back on that hook. That would not be fun for you. Stop. Look at him. Alright. Anyways, back to what I was about to say. So, you've seen people catch some weird things, right? But I think this is just quite ridiculous. That's a whole cucumber. Is that... I think that's a cucumber. Is there any more? I'm now like anxious because I'm scared I'm going to catch a cucumber now. Is there like a cucumber over here? I don't see one over here. I do not see a cucumber over here. Maybe it's over here. There's only one over here. That is weird. A cucumber in the middle of the water. That's some weird thing. Let's see. There's nothing else. Why is it just a random... What is it? Is that... Okay, well, I just saw a leaf that looked like crawfish. I was about to catch it. But again, it was not. No, it was not a crawfish. It was just a leaf. Who's that now? The big one. The big one's completely out. The big one's out. The big one is out. Come on. I just alerted the whole pack and I scared away the big guy. Are you kidding me? What is wrong? I didn't tie it up. Oh, I did. There we go. Now it's all better. I think I see a spike. That's a spike. Oh, if I try and go for him, all the little smallmouth are just going to pile up on him. And it's just kind of sad just watching that happen. So I may as well just like maybe leave him alone. I don't know, but we'll see. I guarantee if I just like leave it, I don't like. Did I get something? No, I didn't. Oh. Got one. He just decided to latch on and he's done for. Oh, he is wiggling and just going around. This one's a little bigger, so this is fish number 6. Oh, he's trying to... I don't want to get poked by him. These things hurt. Did that big boy. Oh, ah. Good enough. He's a big guy. Come on, go in the water. This is very embarrassing. I can't just get a single fish in the water. Well, that's a good size. Washing our hands off a little bit. Oh, he took my worm too. Alright, I'll pause the video to get a new worm. Right. Got my new worm. It's absolutely massive. Right. You know, let's try to cast this way. Here we go. Can you see my lure? I don't know if you can, but there it is. It's like a blue, like I can't tell, but it looks like either like a bluegill or a sunfish. Trying to scare off all the other fish. That's good. Not that nasty. Oh, I got one. Beautiful, beautiful. There we go. There we go. It's all better. We're fine. That's a bluegill. I really want to catch something different today. Holy crap! I got so much fish. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. No. All of you, come back. Don't you dare. There's so many big ones. I got one. It's not a bluegill, but I mean, like, can you really blame it here? Keep flopping and flying. Look at that guy. He is cool looking. Okay, so when I was trying to release the fish, one of the shark gills just hit me and it hurt my finger so badly that I think I may have to go in a little early, actually. I mean, it is the start of the day, or no, not. It's like almost the end of the day, really. So like, you guys are probably really seeing much, but I wish I could just film a little bit more for you guys, but I tried, but this hurts really badly, actually. Oh my god, I'm not looking too good. Anyways, I'm gonna head out, and I don't know. We caught 7 fish, I believe. I'm trying to count now. I don't know. We'll see through the video recording. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.